Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a stunning poster design in Photoshop. Let's get started. Step 1. We'll begin by filling the background with solid black. Then add your preferred text. I'm using the Gold Bold regular font for this design. Next, right-click on the text layer and choose Convert to Shape. Using the Direct Selection tool, I modify the shape of the text to make it more dynamic. After that, I import an image. Using the Object Selection tool, I remove the background from the character and place it in position. Take a soft brush with black color and gently paint to blend the edges and balance the composition. I repeat the same step with the text layer, adding a layer mask and painting to refine the look. To desaturate the character, I add a black and white adjustment layer, clip it to the character layer. Now, I bring in a background image, lower the opacity to around 30%, and use a layer mask again to paint and adjust it as per the design need. Next, I add a texture image and clip it to the text layer. Change its blending mode to difference. Then, I group the texture and text together. To color grade the character, I add a hue saturation adjustment layer, enable colorize, and clip it to the character layer. I fine-tune the color to match the mood. I add another hue saturation layer, this time without clipping, to affect the entire image and adjust the overall color tone. After all the editing is done, I select the top layer, press Shift-Control-Alt-E to merge everything into a new layer. Go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter, and here I adjust exposure, highlights, and color tone for that final polish. Finally, I add my poster title text. Feel free to use your own. And that's it. This is my final output. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more design tutorials.